Yeah, guys, this is how Thai girls party, and ever since I have this song in my head, and I just woke up. It's late today, as you can see. But look, we got some visit this morning. You want to see something? Look at this. Hello, sweetie. You're so beautiful. My beautiful Mina. Hey, you're so beautiful.
ยิ้มสวย
น่ารักมากๆใช่ไหม
ๆยิ้มสวยๆถ่ายรูป
ไปเที่ยวด้วยไหมไปเที่ยวด้วยไปเที่ยวด้วยไม่เที่ยว
She think that you are going to take a picture of her.
Oh, okay. I take a picture of it.
หมดเลยเด่นหมดว้าวหมดแล้วเอาหมดแม่ดิเอาไปเลยคนเดียวเอาเลยเนาะ เก่งแล้วโอเคเอาหมดว้าวโอ้โห
Yeah, she became so big, and your mama is still here with us and eating yogurt with little sausage. Actually, it's a medium sausage right now. Guys, we are getting ready now. Today's Sunday, and I'm going to a very nice location. I will go to Phanga again. You know, Sundays I like to go off the rock. And my wife, she found a very, very nice spot for flying the drone, for camping, for something I have never seen before, and something you have never seen before, I guess. So, have fun, guys. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
And you sleep good?
Not good.
Guys, so we made it to our first destination, and the first destination is just in front of me, and it's called the Tree Cups. Check this out. It's just a beautiful, huge tree, and in the middle of the tree, a coffee shop. Amazing. With this environment. Check this out.
Однажды один мальчик, который впервые увидел море, спросил меня: океан, что такое океан? Но я не знал, что ему ответить. Что такое море? И что такое океан? Как рассказать о них? Однажды один мальчик, который впервые увидел море, спросил меня: океан, что такое океан? Но я не знал, что ему ответить. Что такое море? И что такое океан? Как рассказать о них?
I did not crash the drone. I am happy. So now let's go to the next destination. Are you ready for the next destination? Go, 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 go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
จะหลอกก็หลอกไม่
Go.
If you haven't got problems, I feel bad for your son. I got 99 problems and a bitch ain't one. Tip my hat to the sun in the west. Feel the beat right in my chest. At the crossroads a second time. Make the devil change his mind. It's a pound of flesh, but it's really a ton. 99 problems and a bitch ain't one. If you haven't got problems, I feel bad for your son. I got 99 problems and a bitch ain't one. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Like broken glass under my feet, I can lose my mind in the sea. Looking for the prize, but I don't want blood. All I want drink, then I drink the flood. Well, you can come inside, but your friends can't come. 99 problems and a bitch ain't one. If you haven't got problems, I feel bad for your son. 99 problems and a bitch ain't one. I got 99. but a bitch ain't one. But a bitch ain't one.
Well guys, I am supposed to sleep here, but I don't. This is not comfortable enough for me or for my wife, because you need to run 300 meters to the bathroom. In the night there is no light, and the most important thing, you cannot buy a beer, you cannot buy water, you cannot buy nothing. So we have to go down. If something happened, no way. So we have to find another spot right now to stay overnight. There is another platform, and they say this is more convenient, so let's check this out. And if this one also sucks like this, I mean the view, unbelievable. I mean something like this I have never seen before. I've been in the Panga Bay, but wow, it's just stunning. Yeah, like I said, let's check out the other platform, and if the other platform is also like this, gonna check in a nice hotel, I guess.
I want some Sprite.
And you?
I have an apple. I have pineapple. Along you
I have a pen.
Oh,
I have a Pepsi some
Coke.
apple.
Pepsi Coke.
Yeah, really guys, we are so thirsty. This is crazy. Good exercise. Harung, good exercise.
Yeah. Wow, nice.
Well, this is not the campground as I do expect. When we order the tent, it means that they are going to put the tent for us on this platform.
Right here?
Yeah,
Oh, over there.
somewhere there. Anywhere, wherever we want.
Oh my God, really?
Which is
Would you like to do that?
no, not really, ใช่ไหม?
Not really, no? Well, you guys know I love adventures, but if they put the tent up here, just right here, I mean, the view is stunning. Wrong. The view is amazing. They will put the tent right here on the concrete. Honestly, this is not really what I like to do. Again, the view is amazing, but we are right here, as you can see, here by the jungle, and there will be 1 million mosquitoes going to eat us. And of course, I forgot the mosquito spray. So guys, you hear that? They shout, "Hello Farang, hello Farang." How cute. Guys, here is unfortunately some updates now. I was discussing with my wife now for about half an hour. As you can see, it's getting a little bit more darker right now. We will not stay here because it is definitely not convenient for us to have a tent right here on the concrete. The tent I saw before is a very, very small tent. I didn't brought my own tent. Would not make sense because my tent is simply too big. And I can't fix it here. So therefore we decided, unfortunately guys, please forgive me, not to stay overnight. I wanted to surprise you with one of the best sunrises in the world. Definitely one of the best in Thailand, if not the best in Thailand, with this view. The sun rises right behind this big rock there. Depends from where you're staying. But yeah, that was the plan. This, unfortunately guys, will not happen because we decided to move on. We have our dinner right now here, at least a pre-dinner, and we will probably going again to Khao Lak. And yeah, let's see what happened in Khao Lak. I hope you understand it, because I forgot also the mosquito spray. They don't sell mosquito sprays here as well. And already right now the mosquitoes are biting like hell. And I don't want to get sick again, like dengue fever or something like that. If that happens, it's a pain in the butt. And yeah, and that's why we decided not to stay overnight. What a bummer. But those guys are excused because, check this out. So those guys are excused. Yeah, I will enjoy a couple more minutes, then I'm going back to the car, which is, by the way, right over there. I hope this guy over there is not hitting my car right now. Hello. Yeah, then we go to Khao Lak and let's see what happens. Just enjoy a couple more minutes with me. This amazing, stunning view. This is something, wow, out of this world.
Однажды один мальчик, который впервые увидел море, спросил меня: «Океан, что такое океан?» Но я не знал, что ему ответить. Что такое море? И что такое